Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can log out of your YouTube account on your mobile device. Friends, please put your likes under the video, write your comments after watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. So, let's get into this topic. To do that, open up the YouTube app and then go to the bottom right under You. After that, you'll find the Change Account section. Click on that, and then at the bottom, go to this option. This way, friends, you will come to all the emails that you have tied to different YouTube accounts. And here you can see that under each mail, I have an option like Log Out of this device. So, if I click on that, there's a window like this that warns me that when I log out of YouTube, which is when I leave YouTube from this Google account. So I'll be leaving all the other applications that are associated with that Google account. So let's say I can log out of my YouTube account, but also let's say it's Google Play, some other apps, Gmail, and so on that are associated with that particular Google account. If you're happy with that option, then you'll need to click Next on Sign Out. This way you will log out and delete such and such of your YouTube account. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, don't forget to write comments, and until new meetings.